I fell in. I tried to reach you, but you're so hot that I melted. Fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. If I couldn't run, I'll be giving it my best. And I'm gonna sorry about divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some more plans. But I won't hesitate no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see the dream. Open up your plans and damn you're free. Look into your heart, you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of some more people dance and sing. We just want big family. And it's our bond for sacred right to be love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate our time. It's sure this is our fate. Are yours? Way too long, checking my time the mirror. And then you go back with just a choice to clear. But my breath forgot the glass. Try to remove this and I lie. I guess what I've been saying is that ain't no better reason to leave yourself about it and just go with the season. It's what we aim to do. Fuck you, I won't hesitate no more, it cannot wait. Are yours? Open up your mind and see like me. Open your plans and dance free. Look into your heart, you'll find